mentorship of faculty is important. Actually, it's important at all levels, not just for starting faculty or graduate students or postdocs. I actually still have a mentor in helping me learn how to be a better dean and a better provost. It's important to help people be as successful as possible in their current jobs. There are a vast number of things as a faculty member that you really don't learn how to do. You don't really learn exactly how to teach. You don't really learn how to mentor students, how to run a lab, how to write an R01 grant. So there are a large number of things that you really need to learn to be a successful faculty member. And so the mentorship is a way to provide support in helping to learn all of these new things that you need to do to be a successful faculty member. The advanced program is an NSF-supported program with a goal of increasing the number of women faculty in STEM fields. Michigan got one of the early advanced grants, and I was involved at Michigan in both working campus-wide. We developed a committee that developed a workshop to help other faculty understand how to better recruit women and underrepresented minorities to their departments. I also worked in my own department, the chemistry department at Michigan, to increase the number of women in our department. And we went from, when I got hired in 1999, where we were 8% women, to now we're about a third of the department is female faculty. There's a lot of unconscious bias by both men and women, by both whites and minorities. Our idea, if when we started working with the advanced program, if you went and Googled scientist, you got basically no pictures of women, no pictures of minorities under that category. And that sort of reflects what our idea of what a scientist was. And so that's how we all think what a nice scientist should look like and how a scientist should behave. And so when you're different, there are all kinds of just little barriers, but those little barriers add up. Virginia Valian said in her book, mountains are molehills piled one on top of another. And so it's, very small slights, but if you get, a slight every day or 10 slights a day, they do end up to make you feel like maybe you don't really belong in this job. The culture of the department is really important. I would say that that's the main thing that we did to be able to recruit women and minorities to my department, is made it a much friendlier place, made it not competitive with each other, competitive with the outside world, but very cooperative with each other, made the policies open and transparent. I think that those are all ways to make women and minority feel that they will be successful in your department.